Today, I'll show you how I prep my vegetable side dishes for the week. I'm going to make 4 dishes, including 2 spinach dishes, Ohitashi and Namul, quick pickled cabbage, and lotus root Kimpira. Let's get started with quick pickled cabbage. Cut vegetables. Cut quarter cabbage into bite sizes, julienne a carrot, and slice the cucumber into pieces about 3 mm thick. Add sugar, and mix and squeeze them. Cabbage contains vitamin U, also known as cabbagine, a compound that supports digestive health by protecting the stomach lining and aiding in recovery from ulcers. It also offers antioxidant properties and is especially abundant in raw cabbage or its juice. Cooking reduces its levels, so consuming its raws helps retain more of its benefits. Additionally, cabbage is high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and is a great source of vitamin C, which supports immunity and skin health, as well as vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Since vitamin C is heat sensitive, its contents can be reduced during cooking, making raw cabbage a better option to retain this essential nutrient. I added some salt and keep squeezing them. Once the vegetables have softened, add vinegar. This is optional, but I added a pinch of shio kombu, salted dried kelp. Kelp is a type of seaweed packed with nutrients. It has an exceptional combination of nutritional density, umami flavor profile, and unique bioactive compounds. If you want to know more about kelp health benefit, please check out in the description box below. Leave it in the fridge. After a couple of hours, the vegetables soak in the flavor and are ready to eat. They will last 3 to 4 days in the fridge. Next, I'm going to cook 2 types of spinach side dishes. First, boil the spinach. I use this ready-to-use baby spinach. It's easy and also less bitter, so my kids would eat them better than normal spinach. Boil the spinach in boiling water with some salt in it for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain and put them in the cold water. That will stop them keep cooking. Squeeze the spinach. Then place half of the spinach in a bowl. Add bonito flakes. Then sprinkle some mentsuyu. You can buy mentsuyu at an Asian grocery store, but I like to make it. Just mix 100 ml of soy sauce, 100 ml of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of dashi powder, and microwave it for 40 seconds to cook off the alcohol. I used the other half of spinach for namul. Namul is Korean food and it is pretty popular in Japan. Once I added cooked julienne carrots, let's make a sauce. Sesame seeds, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt. Mix them well and pour it over the vegetables. Then mix them well. Both Ohitashi and Namul will last 2 to 3 days in the fridge. If you freeze them, you can keep them fresh for up to 1 month. Make sure to take the excess water out from the spinach. Next, I'm going to make lotus root and carrot kimpira. Julienne the carrot. This time I decided not to peel the skin as it contains valuable nutrients. Carrots are rich in fiber and antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Kimpira is a Japanese cooking style, typically involving stir-frying and simmering vegetables in a savory sweet sauce. It is often made with root vegetables such as burdock root, gobo, carrots, potatoes, and sweet potatoes, and so on. Root vegetables are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Fiber supports healthy digestion, helps prevent constipation, and contribute to feeling of fullness. Both Chinese medicine and Ayurveda suggest that root vegetables have warming properties and are beneficial to consume during the colder months. I use frozen sliced lotus roots, which I bought from an Asian market. Lotus roots are literally roots of the lotus flowers. They grow in shallow, muddy, aquatic environments such as ponds or lakes. It is a nutrient-dense, fiber-rich vegetable with significant health benefits, including digestive support, antioxidant protection, and cardiovascular advantages. Heat the pan and pour some oil. Then add the frozen lotus root. Then add carrots. I also added 1 red chili pepper. And stir fry them for a while. My lotus root slices were stuck together after being frozen. I could have soaked them in the water and made them separate before frying them, I guess. I cooked them for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Avoid overcooking as it can become too soft. It's best to stop cooking when the surface starts to turn slightly translucent. Add sugar. Mix them up. Soy sauce. Mix them up. And mirin. And sprinkle some sesame seeds. They will last 3 to 4 days in the fridge. For freezing them, you can keep them fresh for up to 1 month. The texture of lotus roots will become soft if you freeze them though. I eat those vegetable side dishes a little bit at each meal. That makes my family eat more vegetables during the week. Thank you for watching my video. I upload easy Japanese recipes every week. Please subscribe to my channel and then you won't miss out on new videos. Thank you. またね。